All right, prime time. Here's the video to find the winner of the Big Ben Blaze Mini helmet. We'll call it Blaze Mini Main. All right. Check the time, March 18th at 9:39 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we've got March 18th at 9:39 p.m. There's the list of our 15 entries with our mini spots now filled in. There's all 15. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. Excuse me. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Last and final. Good luck. It is Bob, and spot 15 is your winner. So Bob, please get with me to collect your Big Ben. There's our verification code, our timestamp, once again, March 18th at 9:40 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.